Antworten gegeben haben.
Thank you. Mr. Ellis, for 2 minutes, please.
Madam President, congratulations to the rapporteurs in what are very trying and difficult financial circumstances, as we hear in the debate this afternoon. At a time when the British government is proposing the most wide-ranging budget cuts in a generation, we as Conservatives have been calling for a freeze on European spending. We believe that the European Union budget must be used to add genuine value in areas such as securing economic growth now and recovery in the future, stability in the EU and around the world, reducing global poverty and fighting the shared challenge of climate change. But furthermore, we have tabled amendments to the budget resolution where we want clarification in 3 specific areas: on the cost, for example, of the Parliament's external offices in the Member States, disquiet about non-governmental organisations' funding, and we'd like a report there from the European Commission, and last but not least is looking at the generous pension arrangements which are there in the statutes, including those for retiring commissioners. These are issues which we want clarifications on in the months ahead. But with regard to the broader review, when we've had a press release from the European Commission this afternoon, firstly, we believe that there's not an opportune moment to think about additional own resources in the midst of the worst financial crisis in the last 70 years. Second, Mr. Commissioner, while saying yes, we need more flexibility, and yes, we want to have more emphasis on the results than the inputs, how is that compatible with calling for a 10-year financial perspective when we see the results of a mid-term review are entirely fruitless in this kind of exercise that we're going through? We cannot set figures in stone in 10 years ahead when we don't even know what the European economy is going to look like in 2 years. And lastly, so far as my country is concerned, our net contribution is rising by 60% in the next 2 years, but we've had no concomitant change in the CAP. Why should it be any different this year? We should be calling for a net cap on our contribution until we have a fair system for the EU budget.
Mr. Triantafyllides, for a minute and a half, please.
Κυρία Πρόεδρε, γνωρίζουμε ότι ο προϋπολογισμός της Ευρωπαϊκής Ένωσης αποτελεί το κατεξοχήν εργαλείο για την υλοποίηση πολιτικών προσανατολισμών και προτεραιοτήτων. Γνωρίζουμε ακόμα ότι ο χαρακτήρας του στην ουσία έχει προαποφασιστεί με βάση το δημοσιονομικό πλαίσιο 7-13.